Good afternoon, grade 5. How are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It is chapter 1, lesson 4. The title of my lesson is Addition and Subtraction within 9-digit numbers. Addition means a plus, يعني زائد. Subtraction means minus, يعني ناقص. Okay? In this lesson we are going to our objective in this lesson is to add and subtract within 9-digit with regrouping. You are going to plus or minus numbers until 9 digits. To find that addition and subtraction are inverse operation, we are going to notice that plus والminus عكس بعض. Inverse operation means عكس بعض. To estimate sums and difference, to be sure that we are solving correct, we are going to estimate to check our answer. Is it reasonable or not? Now let's go to example number 1. Example number 1, they said for us, the population of Jordan is 5,788,340 and the population of Lebanon is 4,461,995. The question is how much is the population of Jordan and Lebanon? Because they use the word and between Jordan and Lebanon, that means we need to know the total. So we are going to add to know how much is the population. Population يعني عدد السكان. They ask us to estimate, to check. Estimate means round. Okay? Now, I will solve here on a sheet of paper. I will start by adding the population of Jordan. How much is the population of Jordan? It is 5,788,340. This is the population of Jordan. The population of Lebanon is 4,461,995. Okay, if you notice, the question was written horizontal, I wrote it vertical. Vertical يعني عمودي, horizontal يعني أفقي. Look how I align the digit under each other, so it will be easy for me to add. Now I will start by estimating this number, and now underline the 5, circle the 7. Now the 5 will become 6. Why? Because the 7 is in the second group and it will give the 5 1. So it will be 6 million, comma, and the rest of the digits will be zeros. Okay, now here underline the 4, circle this 4. This 4 in the first group, it will not give 1, the 4. So the 4 will stay 4, so it will be 4 millions. 4 with 6 zeros. The rest of the digit will be zeros. Now what I am going to do, I'm going to add. Of course, these 3 zeros will go down, and these 3 also. This is the period of ones, this is the period of thousand. Now 6 plus 4, it is 10 millions. So the estimation, it is 10 million. Now let's do the exact adding. 5, 409, 13, 301 above the 100. 409 again 13 above the 1000, 1089, 9110, 0, 1 about the 10,000, 1089, 90615, 5, 1 above the 100,000, 8, 804, 12, 2, 1 above 105, 6, 604, 10. So the exact answer is 10 millions and the estimation is 10 million, so my answer is reasonable. I will write reasonable يعني معقول. Yes. يعني it work. Yes, they are close to each other. Number 1, align the digit under each other vertical. Estimate. Compare between the estimation and the exact answer. You will find they are very close to each other. Now the answer here, when you are adding, we call the answer sum. If you are adding the result for your adding, we call it sum. So they say for you, find the sum. Now so look here what they said. So the population of Jordan and Lebanon is how much? 10,250,335. This is close to the estimate 10 millions. So the answer is reasonable. They wrote that the answer is reasonable. Now look, they changed the question now. They said for us what? Example 2, they said how much greater is the population of Jordan than the population of Lebanon? If I have a problem solving and they said in the question how much greater or how much less, how much fewer, how many more, it means you need to subtract, minus. Now I will subtract the two numbers from each other. Again, I will start with the Jordan population. How much is the Jordan population? It is 5,788,340 minus the population of Lebanon is 4 million. Align your digit under each other, 461,995. Now, before doing the exact subtraction, I will estimate. Again, underline the 5, circle the 7. It will go to 6 millions. 6 with 6 zeros. Now underline the 4, circle this 4. This 4 will not give the 4 because it's from the first group, so my number will go to 4 million. Now do the estimation, minus. Finish after, we need to subtract. 6 minus 4, it's 2 millions. The answer is 2 millions, okay? Now I will do the exact subtract. 0 minus 5, you can't. So the 3 become 3, the 4 become 3, this will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 9, you can't. This will be 2, 13. 13 minus 9, 4. 2 minus 9, you can't. The 8 will become 7. This will be 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Okay. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. And 5 minus 4, 1. The answer is what? 1,326,345. The estimation is 2 millions. There is difference between the two answers, so it is unreasonable. If it is reasonable, معقولة, they will say reasonable at the first example. In this one, the difference between the exact and the estimation is too much. 1,326 to 2 millions, around 700,000 is the difference. So because of that, we say about our answer that it is unreasonable. The answer here, when you subtract, what we call it? We call it difference. We call it difference. So if you are adding, it is called sum. And if you are subtracting, يعني بتطرح, it is called difference. Now let's read what they solve here. They said, so the population of Jordan is 1,326,345 more than the population of Lebanon. This is not close to the estimate, اللي هو 2 millions. So the answer is unreasonable. Unreasonable يعني we don't agree عليها. Okay? Now let's go to page 15. I hope grade 5 that all of you have your books with you and you are solving with Ms. Daad. Okay? Now let's go to page 15. Okay. Page 15. Okay, now. Page 15. Okay. Now, let's go to the first question. Okay. They said for us, find the sum. Sum means you are going to add. Or difference, you are going to subtract. Estimate to check. You need to estimate to see is the answer reasonable or not. Look here, if I have this, they said add. 7 plus 8, 15, 5 معي 1. 1 و 5, 6. The 6 will go down. 7 و 8, 15. 5 و 1 up. 1 و 2, 3. 3 و 6, 9. 4 و 1, 5. 3 و 1, 5. So the answer is 459,565. This is what? This is the exact answer. Now let us estimate. Underline the 3, circle the 4. The 4 will not give the 3, so my number will be 300,000 plus 116. Underline the 1, circle the other one. The 1 will not give 1, so my number will stay 100,000. You are going to add. The answer is 400,000. Look at the answer. I have here 459. I have here 400. They are close to each other, so it is reasonable. The answer here correct because the estimation and the exact answer are very close to each other. Now let's go and do question number 2. I will write it here. 593,122 is 251,917. Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to add. First we are going to estimate. Underline the 5, circle the 9. The 9 will give the 5 because the 9 is from the second group. So my number will be 600,000. If you estimate this, it will be 600,000. Now 251, underline the 200,000, circle the 10,000. The 5 will give the 2 so it will become 300,000. Now what we are going to do, we are going to subtract or add. No, sorry, we are going to add again. We are going to add 3 zeros, okay, 2 zeros and 9. Okay, this is the estimation, 900,000. This is the sum. Let's see this one. 2 plus 7, it is what? 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 9, 10. 0, 1 up. 5. 9 by plus 5, 14. 7, 8. Okay, look at the answer. It is 845,039. And here the answer is 900,000. It's very close. It is very close. يعني about 50, and you will get the same answer. So the answer is reasonable. We call this, as I said before, what? Yes, you are correct. We call it sum. When you are adding, you are looking for the sum. And here, what is it? This is rounding. You estimate to the 100,000. Okay, now these questions have been addition. Now let's go to the second part of the question. This part is what? Subtract. Now let's copy the question number 3 down. 891,399. Here 360,001. Okay, now we need to do subtract here. I need to round first. Underline the 8, circle the 9. The 9 from the second group, it will give the 8 So my number here will be 9 with 2 zeros and 3 zeros. Underline the hundreds, circle the 10,000. Also it will give, so we need to subtract, minus, okay? 3 zeros. Sorry. If you round 891, it will be 900,000. 360, it will go to 400,000. Subtract 3 zeros down, 2 zeros, 5. So the answer is what? 500,000. This is the estimation. Okay. Now let's do the subtract. Real subtract. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, I can't. 1. 9 minus 6, it's 3. 8 minus 3, it's 5. Let's read the answer. Here is 500,000. Here 531,398. It's very close, so it is reasonable. What do we call this answer? Yes, we call it difference. If you are subtracting, the answer you get, we call it difference. If you are adding, the answer you get, we call it sum. So my vocab today for this lesson, sum if you are adding, difference if you are subtracting. Subtracting means minus, طرح. Okay? Now, So this is question 3. Okay, so it is reasonable. Yes. Now let's do the last one in this question. Let's write the question here. It is what? It is 701,309 minus 236,770. Okay, now do the estimation, and this is subtract. Okay, now underline the 7, circle the 0. The 7 will stay the same, so it will be 700,000 minus, underline this, circle the 3. The 3 will not give the 2, so it will stay 200,000. Subtract 3 zeros, comma, 2 zeros, 5. So it is 500,000. We call this difference. Okay, now this one, exact subtract, it will be 9 minus 0, it is 9. 0 minus 7, I can't borrow. This will be 2, this will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 7, I can't. This will become 0, this will be 12. 12 minus 7, 5, comma. 0 minus 6, I can't. The other 10,000 is also 0, so borrow from the 100. 6, this will be 9, and this will become 10. 10 minus 6, it's 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 2, 4. This is, 9. 10 minus 7, 3. This will be 2. 12 minus 7, 5. This will become 0. 10 minus 6, 4. This is 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, look at the answer. My exact answer is 474,539. It is very close to 500,000, so it is reasonable. It is reasonable. And what we call this? We call it difference. We call this difference. Okay. I did this wrong. 9, 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 12 minus 7, 5. This is what? This is 1. It gave 1 here. It becomes 0. 10 minus 6, 4. This is 9. 9 minus... this is 9. Yes. This is 9. 9 minus 2, or this is a 3. No. So here 7. Yes. 9 minus 3, it is 7. Okay. And this is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. 6, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 3 is 6. Correct. Sorry, grade 5. This is 6. 9 minus 3, it is 6. So my number here is 464,539, which look around 28, and it will be 500,000. So they are very close to each other. Okay, my estimation is close to the exact answer. Again, I will do this for you because I did a mistake for you. I will repeat this part. I will do 701,309 minus 236,770. Now, look what I will do. I will 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, it's 9. 0 minus 7, I can't borrow. This will be 2. This will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 7, I can't borrow from the 1. The 1 will become 0. This will be 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Put the comma. 0 minus 6, I can't. Also, this one is 0. This will be 6. So the middle number will be 9, and this will be 10. Okay? This will be 9. Now, 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6, 4. So my number is 464,339, 539, which is close to the estimation. 464,539. Now, here will be your homework from 1 to question number 7. I will do for you question number 6. I will do question number 6 with you. Look here, they gave you 3 numbers and you are going to add these 3 numbers together. No need to estimate. In this part, they didn't ask you to estimate. So I will do number 1. I will align the digit under each other. I will align the 3 digits under each other. Look, what is the number? Okay. My first number is, I am solving question 6. I will write for you. Question 6, okay? Question 6, page 15. Page 15, okay? They gave us 3 numbers, 573. Look how I align my numbers under each other, 625. You are going to solve here in this sheet of paper, okay? Then 83 is, look, I did a mistake. If you look at the numbers, this is how many digits? This is 3 with 3, 6, 8. This is 5, this is 6. So if you are going to put them under each other vertical, it's much better to start with the big number. Start with the big number. So I will write like that. I will go and write with this number 1, okay? I will start with this one. I will start 62,719,530. You are going to add under it the number with how many digits? 6. You are going to start here. 573, comma, okay, 625. The last one is the 5 digit, 83,726. Then you are going to add. Okay, again, I will repeat it here. 573. I did the same mistakes. I should start with this one, 62. 62,719,530. Now go to the 6 digit, 573,625. The last one in the middle, 83,726. Now I will add them. After I align my digit under each other, I will add them, okay? So you are going to use this sheet of paper to put these numbers here, subtract, or for these, they put it for you. It's ready. For this part, you are going to use this sheet of paper. Okay, I started with the number with the 8 digit, then the 6 digit, then the 5 digit. Now I am going to do what? This is what? Adding. You are going to add. You are looking for the sum. Okay, start with the ones. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 up. 1 with 3. Look, we are going to start with the doubles. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the tens. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 6, it's 11. 11 plus 7, it is 18. 8 and 1 above the 9. 1 no 9, 10. 10 with 3, 13. 13 with 3, 16. Again, 3 with 3, 6. 6 with 10, 16. 6. 1 above the tens. 1 no 1, 2. 2 7, 9. 9 no 8, 17. 7, 1 above the hundreds. 1 no 7, 8. 8 to 5, 13. There is no here. 18. 8 and 1 above the millions. 3, 6. So my number is the sum. the sum is 63,876,881. This is the sum for this question. You are going to write it here down. Okay? You are going to write it here down. So if you are solving these questions, please put them under each other and add or subtract. No, you are going here to subtract these two, and here, this one, the last one, you are going to add. Okay? Start with the number with the big digits. The digit that is more. That means he is greater, this number. This one reached the 10 millions. This is only in the 100,000 and this is in the 10,000. So when I align them under each other, I started with the number with the millions, then 100,000, and at the end, 10,000. Now, I need to solve question up with you. Look here. I need to do this one with you. Okay, question number 2. Look here. They wrote for you 2 million minus or subtract 99,609. Now, look how I will solve. I'm looking for the difference. Difference you are going to subtract. Okay? Now, how I will solve this question? 0 minus 9, I can. So you are going to move all these steps to borrow from the millions. The millions will become 1. For 1 second, this will be 10. Then it will be 9. 10 again 9. 10, 9. 10, then 9. Also here, 10, then 9. The last one will be 10. And it will stay 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, 9 will go down. 9 minus 6 is 3. Put the comma. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 will drop down. And the 1 will drop down. So what is the difference in this question? It is 1,900,391. As I said before, each 0 will become 10, then the digit in the other place beside it will take it from it, so it will go back to 9. Again, look how I borrow from the millions, 2 millions. Okay, I will use this one. Yes, okay. They will move to the 2. The 2 will become 1. This will be 10 for 1 minute. Then it will be 9 because it will give this digit 1. This will be 9 and this will be 10. Then this will be 9 and this will be 10. This will be 9 and this will be 10. Again, at the end, only the first 0 will become 10. Then you are going to 906,99. Okay. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3, comma. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. This 9 will go down, comma. The 1 will go down. So my answer will be, the difference will be between these two numbers, 1,900,391. Okay, so I solve this question. This is not a homework. So the answer here will be 1,900,391. So you are going to solve, this is, I solve it. You are going to solve question 1, 2, here 3, here 4. Okay, 1, 2. You are not going to solve this 1, 2, and these 2, and that one down in the end of the page. This is page 15. I hope you get your books, all of you, so we can work together. Okay, grade 5. Until we meet next week. Bye bye.